something that they don't talk about. I would say just really the feelings that you're going to have, the things that people are going to say to you,
Yes.
the identity shift. They don't talk about that. People feel like, oh, I'm about to change into this career. It's going to automatically be there. No. The work you have to put in, those are things that they don't really talk about. They think it's going to automatically happen for them because they decided to transition. And it's really the identity. It's
Yeah.
really, and that's why I feel like I'm such an advocate for therapy and things like that, because you have to know who you are
Yeah.
outside. Because if everything
Yes.
gets stripped from you, this is something that I'm still dealing with. Like if everything gets stripped from you, who are you outside of that? Like you
Right.
have to know
Right.
that stuff, because if not, you're going to